Sean talks to Jamie. We're all checking out each other's tricks and routine. We're going to have a competition that's been whispered in my ear. Danny Veal first. What's he going to do? Second gear. Huge heart attack. Give him a round of applause. Is he going to do a second jump? Yes, he is. Right. We're doing a 2-jump comp. 2 jumps from each rider. Let's see who's the favorite one tonight. OMG! He left all his fight completely. Give Danny a round of applause. Jimmy Squibb is up next. Extremely immaculate and clean. Driven 9 hours today to be here tonight. Right down and getting a Devon. A massive heart attack, vertically in the air, right on the pavement. Clap your hands for Jimmy Squibb. And Danny Veal went first. Jimmy Squibb went second. Tim Wiggins, South London, is going third. What's Tim going to do? He wants some noise, you lads. Tim's your time, Wiggins, it's the one. Whoa! A huge twist whip from there. The bike to its limiter to bring that bike around on this Honda 450. What's his second jump going to be?
Someone's in Monstrous show. Yeah, on trailer park.
Camera's ready. Second gear hits the run.
Wow.
And cliffhanger. Clap your hands for dear. Danny was first. Jimmy was second. Tim was first. Now John Peterson from Preston is next. Sketchy John, we call him. What's his first jump going to be? Camera's ready. Yeah! Front wheel high landing with a massive seat grab Superman. One more to do. Boys and girls, what kind of jump would you love to see tonight?
No, Andy, Superman. Oh,
are you ready?
Fucking hell! Whoa!
That's what you want. That's what you're gonna get. Give him a round of applause.
That was good, that man.
We're gonna talk to the best rider of the night very soon. Let's see who that is. Danny went first. Make some noise for Danny.
Whoa!
Jimmy went second. Make some noise for Jimmy. Jimmy's in first place. Dave went third. Make some noise for Dave. Joined first, I think, with Dave and Jimmy. Make some noise for Backflip John. Johnny Lloyd takes it, and a round of applause for all 4 riders. Odsal Stadium, do you want to see some more?
Yeah!
I can't hear you.
Yeah!
I only tell lies very few. Of course I can hear you. Let's do 3 more jumps. Cameras ready. Massive 9 o'clock from John. Oh, it's a front here. One more jump from class 3 riders. Did win it! Danny Miller! Jimmy Swift! Absolutely fantastic rider from all 4 riders. Give these guys a round of applause! Brilliant!
Get it all on video. Told you about
Now these lads are going to move this trailer and this truck. John